In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a Visa gift card to Venmo. It is a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to add some Visa gift cards to Venmo by using the latest version of the mobile app. So open the app and tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen where you can see your profile picture. When you tap Me, scroll down past your balance and you will be able to find the banks and cards linked to your Venmo account. In order to link a new one, all you have to do is find the plus sign Add a Bank or Card at the right side. So tap Add a Bank or Card and you will be able to include the details about the card. So select Card and include the card number, expiration date, and security code. Like I mentioned in the beginning, some Visa gift cards will be accepted. If you have to include the zip code, you can use your own home address zip code, as that should match up with the billing address. But if you are unsure of the zip code that needs to be used, call the number at the back of the gift card that you have and talk to their customer support to figure it out. But as long as you include valid and legitimate information about a Visa gift card, it is going to get verified, and if it is approved, it is going to get attached to your Venmo account instantly. It will appear under the list of banks and cards, and you can manage it at any time. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish, depending on how many gift cards that you have, and you can remove them at any time. As long as they are accepted inside of Venmo, you will be able to find them under your banks and cards. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a Visa gift card to Venmo. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.